Hi guys! So recently, nag-book kami for Ace Water Spa. This is for the celebration of my nth years sa work ko. So this is for my work anniversary and also monthsary na din namin ng day na yon. And ayun, so of course, nag-grab muna kami from bahay hanggang sa Ace. Ayan, nakarating na kami. Initially, sabi ko kay Flo, mag-UV lang kami. Parang budget to and then pagdating ng Antipolo, we're just gonna ride the UV to Mega Mall. And then from Mega Mall, dun na kami mag-grab para tipid, sabi ko. Pero ang ending, nagdiretso na lang kami ng grab from Kogyo to Ace kasi sobrang init guys, hindi ko talaga kinakaya. So ayun, pirmahan lang sa baba ng very light, verification, nagbigay lang ako ng ID and then binigyan na kami ng room. Sakto before 3, I think quarter to 3, nakarating na kami dito. 45 minutes to an hour from Kogyo to Ace Water Spa. This is by the way located in Pioneer, Pasig. Parang alanganing Mandaluyong or Pasig yung location. Kasi 'di ba may Bonnie Pioneer, but it says sa address na Pasig. So Pasig siya. So ayun, this is our room. It's room 1003. So it's a twin room, deluxe. Twin kasi twin beds yung meron. Hindi naman kami magkaaway pero I prefer twin beds minsan pag umaalis kami kasi para may sarili kaming space so he can watch whatever he want, ganon. Tapos ako may galawan din. And ayan, workstation pa rin. And then, we have here yung view ng city. So, okay lang. Pero I prefer a different view. Gusto ko yung parang malawak lang and maraming mga puno-puno. So, yon. So, that's the room, guys. Maganda siya. And this is our CR. Typical CR. Malinis. May phone doon. May bidet, which is very nice. And then, may dalawang towels. May shampoo and body wash. And hot and cold water sa shower. So, that's nice. And since kakaligo ko lang nung bago kami umalis, so malamang masapa yung hair ko. Yeah, nag-blow dry muna a kiss. Plano namin is magre-rest muna kami ng konti and then magdi-dinner kami sa Mega Mall na lang. Meron ako kasing nakitang pwede namin kainan sa Mega Mall na parang sulit. Hi guys, so andito kami ngayon sa Ace Suites and Hotel. This is located in Pasig City. We initially wanted to do the Ace Water Spa, but it's way better if you also book an accommodation together with it para mas ma-enjoy mo. So that's what we are gonna be doing. So yun guys, we decided na magpahinga muna for a while, for a few hours since medyo maaga pa naman. And syempre for dinner, mga past 6 na lang siguro kami lalabas. Since sa Mega Mall lang naman namin balak pumunta. So nag-rest lang kami dito. And nag-uusap kami ng very light about mga bagay-bagay. So ayun, mga plano-plano and all that stuff. And yeah, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo yung view ng room. So andun yung laptop ko. I brought it with me kasi I'm thinking I might do a little work then. Kasi alam niyo naman yung work namin, laging maraming mga deliverables. Right? So, ayun, kahit na SIL tayo or naka-leave, we need to do a bit of work kasi so we're going out, guys, for dinner. Hi! So, ayun, sabi ko sa kanya meron akong gustong i-try na resto sa Mega Mall. I think hindi naman bago yun. Nakita ko na yun before. And alam din yun ni Flo. Pero, parang masarap kasi siya. And I think it's one of the trending restos doon. So, ayun. So, from Ace Water Spa, nag-grab kami, which is wala naman kaming choice. Alam nga mag-taxi. Pag-taxi kasi guys, mamaya, alam nyo na, mga hanash. Sabi mo kay Kuya. Nag-enjoy ka ba? Is that a yes or a no?
Gusto ko kasi burger.
Sabi ni gusto ng burger. Ba't di mo sinabi na burger gusto mo? Burger nga gusto mo? Totoo? Wala na, kumain na tayo.
Yeah.
Congratulate mo naman ako, B. Congratulations. So we're going back. Punta nga muna tayo doon, Lee. Silipin lang natin yung pool. Since walang tao. Excuse me. Yung
Mataas.
Kunwari nga nasa Thailand tayo eh. Tapos gagastos lang tayo ng gagastos. Ano to?
Hi guys, we're in Thailand right now. Hindi nasan tayo? We're in Thailand.
Parang steakhouse yun, yung premium. Ito lang nakita eh. Kumain na lang.
Hi guys, kakabalik lang namin dito. Sobrang init sa labas. As in. Legit yung init. As in, sobrang init. Ang lakas makakagard. Alam niyo ba yun? Hindi ko alam kung saan ako titingin dito. Dapat pala dito sa camera. Pero yun, sobrang haggard. Okay naman sana eh. But it's fine. Masarap yung food. Pero, yun.
Lagi. Yakot.
Huwag kang judgmental, kakababa lang nila.
Nandiyan na rin niya sa akin. Saan ang locker? Dito. Bakit dito? Go. Thanks. Oo, picture kami dito dati. Ayun, hi guys, alam niyo ba, kakabalik lang namin. Nag-spa kami. I mean, water spa. Di ba nga, andito kami sa Ace Water Spa right now. And alam niyo ba, sobrang sarap. Like, sobrang ganda ng experience. Yung service, I mean, the hotel, meron na siyang kasamang dalawang pass or dalawang tickets para dun sa water spa, aside from the breakfast buffet. So sulit na rin siya guys. And we booked it sa Agoda. Tapos alam niyo ba, nabasa ko dun sa baba, yung hydrotherapy, which is yung type of therapy na ino-offer ng Ace Water Spa. It's good for people na mahirap makatulog, just like me. For people na medyo mataas ang blood pressure. Not me though. For people na may diabetes, arthritis, ano pa ba? And yung may mga body joints, yung may mga dinadaing sa katawan. So perfect siya, guys. And it's so sulit. Magugustuhan nyo. And the experience, pang family siya. Like you can bring your kids as well. Meron dong parang pool na mag-work for kids. Parang may laruan din doon. Parang may basketball something. Parang isang malaking pool siya. And then, pwede kang mag-shoot ng mga bola doon. Meron pambata. Syempre, you have to try it para malaman nyo. Kasi, bawal yung phone sa loob. So, wala kaming video ng mga ganap doon. Ang maganda rin doon, yung mga, ano bang tawag doon? Yung mga, not jacuzzi, but parang theme pool, whatever. Basta parang may scent siya. Iba yung kulay. May lavender, may jasmine, may rose. Tapos, meron din dong parang pipindutin ka and may nilalabas din siya na pressure. So, mamamassage din yung ano mo, yung likod, yung paa, lower body, whatever. And then the best thing that I've experienced was the sauna, not S-O-N-A like sauna, but the sauna. Paano ba yung pinopronounce? Sauna or sauna, whatever. So yun, you have to stay like, may option ka namang lumabas if hindi mo kaya. Kasi syempre, mainit siya, like 74 degrees. Medyo mahirap mag-adapt yung katawan mo, pero the good thing about it, totoo na parang biglang parang mag-iiba yung metabolism, like parang bigla kang mamamayat, ganun ang effect, guys. Yun, char. Basta it's a nice experience and it's a must try. You have to try it for yourself and for your family. I would say na it's affordable. It's convenient if malapit ka lang, pero if you're from somewhere else, well, you can book the accommodation, yung hotel and suites, and then may kasama na siyang spa tickets. Yeah, so it's really a nice experience. So we're heading out. Yeah guys, we're heading out. It's already 12 noon. Sakto lang sa logout. Akin na, hawakan ko.
Mamaya, sa sakyan.